I do 2 chicken, 2 beef.
Okay. Estas bolas de carne de aquí.
It is June 27th. It is Monday. Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. Oh, today is an okay day. Flo came into town, so I'm having like a crappy moment. But other than that, this weekend I got a new plant thanks to Hubsters. And I got a Baltic blue pothos, which is actually really cool because now I have 4 different types, I think. Got the golden, I have the neon, I've got the jaded, I've got the Brazilian, and now I have the Baltic blue. So really happy about that. What else did I do? This morning I went to Home Depot because I needed to get cages for my garden to replace the tomatoes because the tomatoes are really tall, and then I got one for the cucumbers because they're trellising onto other plants, so I wanted to make sure that they were taken care of. I also added Epsom salt to the planter boxes because to help with the nutrition deficiency, that's what I'm figuring out is what's wrong with my plants. So that is that. And what else did I do today? That's about it. While I was at work though, I did take some notes. I'm on chapter 4 now. I was writing a bunch of notes. I'm trying to like really memorize this information in my head, and also at the same time taking Quizlet quizzes to really grasp in the information. So yeah, it's been eventful. Mental health check today. I'm at like, you know, I'm at like a 4. I'm actually kind of low. A lot of the things that were on my mind a lot before are no longer on my mind now. So that's really awesome. I've been able to get over certain things that had been bothering me for a very long time. Oh my God, this freaking fly, get away. So yeah, and the way that I honestly got over these things is because I heard what I wanted to hear, finally. And I was finally able to get the missing piece of the puzzle. So I've just been able to get over certain things, and it's been really great. I just want to say one thing that's really on my mind, I guess, and it's to basically not tolerate the bullshit from somebody. If it's putting you down, making you feel some type of way, eating away at your mind, don't put up with it. Remove yourself, or figure out how to fix it. And if it can't be fixed, you need to remove yourself completely, because it's not going to better your situation. It's not going to uplift you. It's not going to make you a better person. It's going to just bring you down and cause some kind of depression or some type of anxiety within you. So make sure you're letting go of things that no longer serve you. That is a tip of my day, because boy, do I feel relieved in life. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's 2 butterflies dancing, mating, really. Up here, can you see them? Right next to the basketball, like right here. I can't see because the sun is bright as shit. Good morning. Today is June 28th, I think. It's Tuesday. I'm out here in the garden. There are some changes happening just with the adding of the fencing that I added to the tomato garden, and then my cucumbers, which my cucumbers are already attached to the fencing. So this morning I had some eggshells drying out, and I finally grinded them up, and I want to add them to the garden bed. I don't know if I have enough for all 3 of them, but I know that they need it, so I'm going to do that. I did add them last time to my rose bush, and for some reason my rose bush has some yellowing happening down at the bottom, which I don't understand why, which is right here, which is normal, which is because they're like old leaves. And this rose bush has been going in and out on me for a while. What in the world is happening? There's like a crap load of ants. Weird, weird. This aloe plant right here too, I need to repot some of them because it's overtaking in the box. So yeah, my pepper plant though is looking really good. I definitely want to add some eggshells to it. I did add Epsom salt, as you saw yesterday, to the garden bed. So we'll see what happens. I'm just gonna take a little bit in my hand and just like sprinkle it. So now they all have it. It's a little hot. Hold on, I want to talk to you for a little bit. So basically, there's not really much that I need to talk about, but I wanted to update you on the lemon under the arms. I've been doing this now for like, I want to say it's been a month now, and I literally haven't been able to go back to regular deodorant. So coming from somebody who is stinky and sweats a lot, it's a miracle that I'm able to use something completely natural with no other ingredients other than lemon to put under my arms, and I'm good. Do I still sweat? Absolutely, but it's not a smelly sweat. Like, it's literally just, the body is supposed to normally sweat. So the fact that, you know, that I am still sweating is perfectly normal. It's just incredible that I don't smell. It's literally crazy. This morning, we woke up, I took a shower, I washed my hair today with apple cider vinegar, and then I just applied conditioner over to, you know, eliminate some of the smell. And then I just did my hair. Yeah, so we're looking like this morning. Really pretty, very nice. And then we went to Publix. We got some stuff for breakfast, some processed foods. I ended up wanting like French toast, so yeah. I'm doing a little cheat week. I feel like I want carbs because Flo's in town, so yeah, I still need to go drink my water though. But yeah, I went to Publix and then we made some breakfast, drank some coffee, and now I'm just hanging out until I have to head over to work. Yeah, I'm looking at the garden bed from over here, and I'm excited to see hopefully some changes, especially adding the Epsom salt to the soil. Hopefully the tomatoes boost, hopefully the cucumbers get a little bit more green. I don't even know how dark cucumber leaves are supposed to be, so I gotta check that. And hopefully I'm dropping a YouTube video today because it's taking forever to upload from my phone. I need to start putting it onto my computer and uploading it from there, because from my phone it just takes way too long, so I'm behind. But yeah, other than that, I have been working on my phlebotomy stuff, so that's been really good. I'm on chapter 4 right now. I was taking tests last night on chapter 3. I was getting a little frustrated, but I finally kind of got the hang of it and only was getting like 2 to 3 wrong, so that's really good. And teeth, still doing good. They are in a little bit of pain. I'm also getting the sensitivity again because I stopped using that heavy fluoride, so now I have to go back to that. I hope I don't have to live with that for the rest of my life, because I am not trying to use fluoride forever to allow this sensitivity to go away. What I do want to start adding into my routine is coconut oil swishing, so that way my teeth can be coated and protected. But I didn't go to Trader Joe's today, which I wanted to. Dave was dying to go to Publix because of almond milk. They don't sell it at Trader Joe's, which does suck, because the almond milk Blue Diamond is the best one, and I know it's unhealthy, but what now? Like, can I just enjoy my milk? Can't drink regular milk. So yeah, other than that, you know, blessed to see another day. We should have a quick discussion about this Roe versus Wade situation. I don't want to get too much into it because I don't really know so much about it, other than they are giving states the opportunity, or the, what is the word that I'm looking for? They're able to set their own rules about abortion. That's basically the way that I'm understanding it. But because this law went into effect, or whatever the situation is. And I don't know, it's just all so confusing. I don't even understand how this can even be legal. The fact that people are making decisions for women, men being that, it sounds like Handmaid's Tale to me. It's a little crazy. I feel like we're going backwards in time. Like, women work so hard to have women's rights, but like, that takes away women's rights. You're gonna tell me that I'm forced to have this kid if I don't want it? That's too wild for me. Too wild. And you know what else is wild? The fact that it's only Tuesday. I'm miserable. I'm miserable, and I need to make more money. I don't know how people function on their phones without pop sockets, because I legit cannot do it. It's literally unmanageable to hold this phone the right way. Today's July 1st. It's Friday. I feel like I'm having a harder time talking with my braces this time around. I don't know if it's because you put a thicker wire in my mouth, but I don't think that that would have anything to do with the like affecting the way that I am talking. I'm not sure about that. Anyways, I'm on my way to work early this morning, and I was planning on being there by 8 a.m. and then I'm like, what the heck am I doing? I don't have to be there till like 8:30. So what I would really like to do at this time is stop at Publix and go get some fruit. I saw this video that it's not that it like is something new to me, because this is something that I already knew, but about eating fruit in the morning, and not just like any fruit, but like fruit that contain a lot of water, like watermelon, peaches, things like that, but not like bananas and things in that nature, because that's what I would eat always in the morning, is a banana. And I needed to stop that because it was causing, you know, not the best for me in the morning. So I want to stop at Publix now to go get watermelon. And if I don't have to be at work at 8:30 in the morning, or at 8 in the morning, I want to sit and eat my watermelon calmly. So I figured out where I'm going. So I get to go in at 8:30. And to make me happy and to make me feel super satisfied, I just went to Publix and I bought some fruit. I bought strawberries, I bought peaches, and I bought some watermelon. So now I'm gonna go down to Loxahatchee and I'm gonna go eat by the Everglades. That's what I'm gonna do. Even though the sun's on the other side, that's okay. It's still gonna be an experience, and that makes me super happy, and I'm very excited. So I will catch you there. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So it's July 2nd and it's Saturday. I've had a very rough night and a very rough morning. It's about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and right now I am currently eating a yogurt parfait. I was up yesterday for almost 24 hours, and that was terrible. That was a terrible idea. And I just did it to make the most of my weekend, because it's a 3-day weekend and I wanted to make my Friday, you know, the most of it. Hold on. But now I'm currently like dying, but slowly recuperating. I literally told Dave that God needs to come and take care of this, because Lord, I'm just feeling all types of way. Flo came in full force in the middle of the night, and I'm really suffering from it. I have a really bad headache on top of drinking wine last night. I think that I just got severely dehydrated, and then having Flo in town made it even worse. So whatever. But one thing that I've realized, that every time I drink alcohol, it just makes me feel debilitated. Like, that especially the next coming days, like I already know, like today I feel super sad. I feel so depressed, on top of Flo being here, of course, like that's adding to it. But it's just not really the best feeling, and I always do it to myself every time, just for a good time, and it's just not a good time for aftermath. My children need me today, and I'm trying here to really recuperate. I have a lot of work to be doing in the garden, and I can't do it right now. I'm supposed to be watering everybody today, and I can't do it. I took a shower. I ate a whole container of watermelon. I ate my sauerkraut this morning earlier. Now I'm eating this yogurt parfait, drinking water. I took some ibuprofen, and I'm still like, even the sun hurts my eyes right now. I feel like I barely got any sleep last night, which is what I think that I need. But what am I doing? On TikTok. Over this life. Over. I have finally made it out of bed. Managed to get in the shower and change. I am back here in my plant room, and I just am apologizing to my children for being so non-existent today. I'm still feeling like pure crap right now. I'm just trying to pep myself up. I don't know. I'm so dead. July 3rd, it's Sunday, and we made it to the beach. We came to see the sunrise. Look, you can still see a star in the sky. Look, Dave.
Is that a star?
Yeah, that's a star.